But now we have our e-commerce solutions, and yeah, our e-commerce solutions also, it's all an automated flow that we create. But instead of a direct integration via the API, we said, okay, what if we don't have an IT team? And there's all these platforms, these wonderful platforms like WooCommerce, Magento, Shopify, and all that, and how to connect those. So we build all these plugins for you. And these plugins will allow us to connect directly to Cloudprinter's API and the ordering flow without having any IT to it. So yeah, why use our e-commerce integration? Everything, why choose us in that sense? And there's a lot of benefits. For instance, if you want to reach new markets in a very fast way, we are in 104 countries already available. If you're set up with your products and you start in the UK, for instance, and you think, okay, how about Asia? Normally, you would have to talk to a lot of printers everywhere in the world, and you have the language barriers, or it takes such a long time to set up. And with us, you're actually, well, ready for the whole world. One setup, and you're connected to every printer.
Well, basically, we've done that already for you. Our specialists have already gone to lifted those language barriers and all these things to have you to shorten your way to another new markets and to simplify that.
Very good. Yeah, and the flow for an e-commerce like ours is right now, your end customer orders something on your website, then in an automated flow, the files will be pushed to Cloud Printer. In there, we do a little pre-flight. We send it to the printer. The printer produces the product, packs the product for you, and sends it out white labeled to your end customer. And the production is always routed to the most local print partner of your end customer.